Today I have a good opportunity for freshers in software development. This is an apprentice role in Java and Python, so if you are interested in coding, this video is for you. This opportunity is from CGI role apprentice Java and Python developer. Location Bangalore. Employment type full time. This is an entry role, so it is suitable for freshers. If you like this kind of job updates, make sure you subscribe to my channel Easy Hire Up. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your question and share it with your friends. In this role, you will ask a in this role you will work as a software developer, appreciate and learn how real world projects are built. You will also get hand-on experience with technologies like Java and Python. The skills required for this role are Java, Python, database, cloud, native development, Unix. Even if you have basic knowledge, you can apply. This is a good opportunity because you will work on real world project, you will gain practical experience, you will improve your coding skills. So, it's a good start for your career. Check the application link in the description and apply as soon as possible. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I see you in the next video.